How to turn on or turn off Zoom apps, spots, modern formats on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and scroll down and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search Media Transcoding. From here, scroll down. You will see Media Transcoding Settings. Click on Media Transcoding Settings and you will see Zoom apps, spots, modern formats is here. If you want to turn off Zoom apps, spots, modern formats, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Zoom apps, spots, modern formats is turn off. If you want to turn on Zoom apps, spots, modern formats, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Zoom apps, spot, modern formats turn on. So you will turn on or turn off from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Zoom apps, spot, modern formats on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.